In Memphis, we got this thing about doing things differently. From our hair, our slang, our dance, and even the way we hoop. It's just different. You ain't gonna find it nowhere else like you find it here in Memphis. And tamales are no different. You won't find corn husks and taste the same flavors as traditional tamales. Nah, these tamales right here got sprinkled with some magic from black folks here in the city. And one of the city's favorites is Pops. And in this story, an uncle and nephew share how they bond over this Memphis favorite.
What's up?
What's up, nephew?
Got some money on you?
You got some money for what?
Hot tamales.
Hot tamales? Where your money at?
It's at the house.
Why ain't got it on you?
Man, I don't got no job.
Oh, that ain't no excuse, man. Them tamales sound good, though. You talking from Pops?
Yep.
Come on, let's do it. Jump in. So, what you good?
Mm-hmm.
How they for?
Legend has it is that there are many legends about how hot tamales got here. One of the most noted is that tamales came with migrant Mexican workers coming to Mississippi plantations in the early 1900s. Tamales were then introduced to black sharecroppers, and they made them their own. Different, smaller, simmered, not steamed, spiced cornmeal, no mesa, and parchment paper over corn husk. A recipe for the perfect Memphis tamale.
Man. So, Whoop? What's that Whoop?
It's just that flavor, you know, it's unique. What you think, nephew?
They're good.
I know what they doing over there at Pops.
So, what it be? What is it?
It's beef inside of a corn
Yep.
flour paste husk. So you just eat meat and corn.
Dang, we just demolished these that quick.
Yep. Meat
I
and
sure
corn.
I'm trying to figure out.
Like cornbread.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's good, ain't it?
They are good, nephew, not just for the flavor and the feeling they give. These tamales have inspired and propelled ownership in the city, from Orange Mound to South Memphis, to brick and mortars to tamale carts and stands. These tamales have a story of making a difference in food, family, and financial freedom. Memphis does different good.